Hi guys, today we are be searching for kittens, and I'm here with
Elizabeth
and
Joseph.
Today we're just searching for kittens because Joseph said that they were kittens over here, and my dad said that they were kittens over here. So,
There's money. Dude, you trying to look for some kittens down here?
there's none under there, Joseph.
So they're here or where?
I don't know.
They must be over here. I feel like they would put them by the woods, to be honest.
Same. To be honest.
Oh, don't step in there. Huh? Oh.
What?
He said you didn't pick the dog up, but then he saw Kate.
Yeah, there's some all over here. We're just finding
I
kittens.
already pushed off if we don't find them. Just saying. Be careful with the water because we don't know where they are and we don't want to drown them. I'm gonna keep looking back here. What?
What?
You think?
What?
Do that to us. I thought it was going under there, but it wasn't the bug. I wonder how little they are.
Probably
Why would they
newborns.
put it in like the freaking open? But it would have been so much easier.
They hide their kittens so they don't get hurt. Find it.
Maybe in here?
That don't look like a little hut, but
No.
pump house. Where? Where's pump house?
Dude, I would run in water, knee deep water, just to find these guys. What?
No, I don't see any. Turn on your flash.
Can't
Wait, what is that? Turn on your flash.
I can't. Let me do.
I don't see any, guys.
Yeah, there's probably. Can I see? My flash doesn't work.
Can I see? No. I don't have a flash. And we don't. Guys, I don't think they're over here.
I'm gonna tell if you don't find these guys. And that does not already pissed off.
Same here, I'm pissed off too. What do you think about down here?
Check down there.
No, definitely, they can't fit under there.
Your mom.
The mom, what?
The mom must be in here. How? Big bee! It's a bee, my God.
Okay.
We just want to look very.
I do not see anything.
I'm really getting mad.
Okay, guys, I think I'm going to end the video here because I'm going to have to turn my flash on and everything. Bye.